The relationship between New York City's Mayor Bill de Blasio and the entity known only enigmatically as the Freezemeister has taken a turn for the worse yesterday after the city refused to acquiesce to Freezemeister's request to keep city municipal skating rinks open 24 hours a day. Freezemeister immediately engulfed the world's greatest metropolis in a snowstorm. Sources close to the mayor say that the two sides have returned to the negotiating table to try and hash things out. In the meantime, the mayor's critics continue to refer to him as Mayor de Blizzardo. I now return you to the collapse of Western civilization, already in progress.